Hey guys, Kimberly here with the Artistic Frog. Wanted to come to you today, make a video of the shirt. Actually going to be dyeing up both shirts today, but this is the one that I wanted to get in the dye bath. I had a couple of suggestions on the Facebook and Instagram. I appreciate you guys giving your input on those. I used Dharma's chart here of all the colors. I decided to go with the lilac color here. I just thought that would be that would really pop all of the colors in the shirt. So using Dharma fiber reactive dye, have that. Have not used this before, so I'm not real sure about the strength on it, but we shall see. Sorry guys, there's a lot of cars going by in the front yard. I have my dye, have soda ash that I put in there so that the dye will bond with the fabric. Let me scoot you down just a little bit so you can see what all I have here. Okay, don't think I'm going to be using that. Anyway, have this. Let's go ahead and get that going. Each one of these. I have approximately a gallon of water in each one of these buckets. And had not been measuring things before, just been kind of eyeballing it, but I thought it would be helpful if we measured some of this stuff for you, so you might get some kind of an idea about what we're doing. Do have my gloves. Get those on. Actually, I'm gonna get my mask on today. Wind's kind of blowing here and there, but well, you guys won't be able to hear me. I'm just gonna, once I get this open, I'm just gonna hold the mask up to my face. How to do this? Let's use this bucket here. Make sure that the soda ash is all it's all dissolved. Sometimes it'll clump up in the bottom, but I am using warm water, not hot water. So I'm going to open this, and this is my measuring container here. So I'm going to quit talking and get this open, put my dye in here, and get it stirred up, and then I will continue so that you can hear me without the mask on. think that's going to be good enough for the mask. And let's see what I'm doing here. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful color. Sorry guys, I know that's loud, but I'm seeing from the way the color is going on the edge of the bucket that it has some blue specks in it. So I'm going to stir it up just a little bit more. Let's try that. Just a bucket of water over there. Let me get my gloves on here. You can see what's going on. Okay. So the shirt is dry. Let's get this out of the way. And let me check. The reason why I use the white buckets is so that I can see the color on the, yeah, you can see that. And you can kind of gauge how dark it's going to be or how light it's going to be. I think my color is it's mixed pretty well. So I'm so excited. Let's go for it, guys. Here we go. It happens fast. So that in there. Oh my goodness. Now let me stress that I did use this like lukewarm water to help that soda ash get all mixed up. Oh my gosh, look at this. I love Batik. It is so gorgeous. Okay, I do want to show you here. You do have to get this when you're putting a dry shirt in the dye. Can you see that? Let me back that up just a little bit. So maybe you can see outside the bucket. There we go. A little bit more. Okay, so all of these places in here, you have to really make sure that the dye gets all in the shirt, unless you particularly want that kind of mottled effect. You have to just move it around just a little bit. Wow. Wow. Okay. So, I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, you can see that. Is that gonna be pretty? Oh my goodness. Okay, let me make sure. Now, I did not put tons of water in here. I don't want this floating super loose. I do want some modeling on this. Oh guys, I'm gonna be so happy with this. I can already tell. This, you know, I debated about putting this in a blue because I thought that that would look really, really tropical. But I really think this purple is just going to absolutely make that design pop. And that's, after all, what it's all about, right? Okay, so let's, this is a shirt that I have not shown you. Let me show you that really quick. It's not a big deal. It's just it's a linen shirt, and I had not dyed the linen before, so I just did a real simple design on it. The color that you see is washable marker. It's going to wash away when I put it in there. So I just did a simple design on it, and decided I needed a lot of contrast because there's not going to be a whole lot of white in this. So I'm using again the Dharma fiber reactive dye, and going to be putting this in strong navy. Thought about a khaki, and I really wanted the khaki, but I just don't think that there's going to be enough contrast. So let's quickly get that going here. Can you see in that? No, you can't. Let me move you back down here. Okay. Let's see. My mask up there, yes. Okay. And there's going to be a little bit of lavender in this, but this navy is so strong it's not going to matter. So again, we're going to do just one tablespoon. It's looking to be, I don't know how this linen is going to soak up this dye. That's the thing. Okay, let's check that and see what we've got here. Wow, that looks pretty dark. Wow, really, really, really dark. You know, that might be really pretty. It's for summer. I just don't want to. I don't want to almost black, but I do want it dark enough to contrast. So let's just go for it, y'all. Let's just go for it. Get my gloves back on. And check that one more time. Let's have faith, guys. Let's have faith. After all, the frog in Artistic Frog stands for fully rely on God, right? So let's go for it. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see that? Oh wow. That's gonna be dark. That's gonna be dark. It's not a huge deal. I think I paid $2 for this shirt. Got it at Goodwill. Wanted to make sure that it still didn't have any sizing in it or anything. It's a beautiful shirt. Oh wow, that is really gonna be dark. Really. Didn't want it quite that dark. Let's do this really quick, get that mixed up, and that may further help model all of that. Oh wow, okay, that's better. It is it's looking really dark because it's wet, but I'm thinking I like just that little bit of water in there. I think that's going to be good. I'm going to let these set up. It's supposed to freeze tonight, so I will probably take these back in the house and let them sit for 12 to 24 hours. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to rain tomorrow or not. But anyway, I'm going to let these sit, and I will try to record what we have once they come out of the dye bath. And I may record the oh gosh, this shirt's looking so pretty. I may record when I boil the the wax out of these shirts. I will probably do this inside since I just have 2 shirts going right now. Been working on some silk scarves. They're pretty. So anyway, I thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer those. It's all still, this stuff's new to me, so I'm still learning and having to really watch for comments and questions. But you guys have been sweet for hanging out with me. I appreciate that, and always remember, fully rely on God. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in seeing more videos and how this process goes, please subscribe. You can like and share. Let's get the word out about batiks and how absolutely gorgeous it is, whether it's on shirts or pants or silk scarves or whatever. It's just beautiful. More people need to be doing it. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.